How are you? こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Today, video anime number 20 about money. Money again. Well, I tell you again because in anime video number 18, I talked about money. But in that one, that was about financial. But today, I'm gonna talk you about 7 proverbs related with money. And also the anime that I'm gonna talk about is 2 animes in the different ways and different, but also something related with money. This word, ことわざ, ことわざ, this is saying or proverb, ことわざ. And the first ことわざ 1番目, 時は金なり, 時は金なり. Toki, this kanji is like 1時、2時、3時, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Toki and also the moment. Toki wa kane, お金, money. So it's the same as in English. Time is money. Toki wa kane nari. 2番目のことわざ。いつまでもあると思うな、親と金。いつまでもあると思うな、親と金。Well, いつまでも forever and ever. いつまでもある It comes from あります exist. いつまでもある exist forever and ever. と思うな Don't think that it's going to be forever. 親と金親 parents と and 金 money.So parents' money, don't think you're gonna have forever and ever. 親と金 parents and money. Well, that's really true. We must take care of them. The third saying is this one. 安物買いの銭失い。安物買いの銭失い。Well, 安い, the first one, 安い, cheap. もの thing. So 安物 cheap things. 買い It comes from the verb 買います to buy. 安物買いの So if you buy cheap things 銭失い 銭 it means small coins. Money, no? Small coins. 失います You lose. 失います It means to lose.So it means 安物買いの銭失い. If you buy something very cheap, sometimes it is just you lose money. It means this. 安物買いの銭失い. The fourth, this is 悪戦身につかず. 悪戦身につかず. Well, 悪 it comes from also 悪いbad, warui. Sen, money, so bad money, bad coins. It means the money that you get illegally. So in some bad manner, even if you get some money, but not legal. 身につかず, body, 身につかず. It doesn't keep, you cannot keep in your body.It is 悪戦身につかず And this one, in English, is like easy come, easy go. Or a fool and his money are soon parted. Like this. 悪戦身につかず The fifth proverb about money, or related with money, 金が物言う。金が物言う。金 money お金。お金が物 things 言う。言います。to say, to speak, to talk 言います。金が物言う。It's like money, things, money, say something like this, no?But 金が物言う This is money talks. money talks. Money is power. This is 金が物を言う. The sixth proverb, and I like it. 辛抱する気に金がなる。辛抱する気に金がなる. Well, 辛抱する, it means the 辛抱, this is perseverance. 木, tree. So the tree with a perseverance. And there, 金がなる. 金, money. And this verb, なる, here we use like this. For example, 木に果物がなる. It means the fruit grows in a tree. So, なる, it's like a grow, to grow or to bear. Fruit, bear, fruit grows. 辛抱する木に金がなる. So, it's like we've got the tree that if we take care of this tree, then the tree, the fruit is the money. So, 辛抱する木に金がなる, this is perseverance is essential to success. This is 辛抱する気に金がなる. And also, I think it says, wealth flows from industry. So, 辛抱する気に金がなる. The seventh and the last proverb of today about money is 親子の中でも金銭は他人. 親子の中でも金銭は他人. Well, 親, this is parents. 子, children or sons, daughters, 親子の中でも, this is relationship. So, 親子の中でも even in the relation with the parents, between parents and children, 金銭は money, 金銭は他人. 他人, well, 他, this is the other. 人, 人, person. 他人, it means stranger. Just a stranger. 他人 or outsider. 他人. So, 親子の中でも even between the relationships with parents and children, money is just a stranger. So, it means if we must borrow some money from our parents or our children, we must give them back, even in the family. So this is very important to have this kind of morality or this kind of ethic. 親子の中でも金銭は他人. The first anime about money is 逆境ブライカイジ. 逆境ブライKaiji. This anime was in 27 till 28. This is the first one, the first. And the second, 2011. And 逆境, this is adversity. 逆境, adversity, so difficult time. ブライ, it means even he didn't ask for this adversity. He didn't want it. So, ブライ, 逆境ブライ, Kaiji. Kaiji, this is the main character's name. Kaiji. Well, Kaiji, this was the man that he didn't do anything nothing special. But one day his life changed because, well, he was a guarantor. Guarantor. You know what is guarantor? His friend, maybe his friend borrowed some money from some place and he was the guarantor. So it means if he didn't pay, Kaiji must pay. This is guarantor. So he was the guarantor. And one day, one man comes to him saying that that friend disappeared so suddenly. So it means Kaiji must pay all his debt. And that was lots of money, lots of quantity of money. So it was impossible. But that man offers him to do one thing. That is, there is a ship called Espoir. Espoir. This is like the this in this ship. There's lots of games and gambles, all the kind of gamble. So this is the same as in English, gamble, all kinds of gambles. And if Kaiji wins, all the debts will disappear. So he doesn't have to pay anything. If he if he wins gambles, but if he loses, maybe he can lose his life. So this kind of games are very, very serious. That kind of anime is this one, Yakkyoburai Kaiji. So if you like gambling like this, maybe you like this anime. Anime is Golden Kamui. Golden Kamui. And the first one, the first in 2018 and second in 2020, Golden Kamui. And this story takes place in the final part of Meiji era, the Meiji period. It means it is the last part of the 19th century and the first part of the 20th century. The main character is the survivor of the war against Russia. Yet there was a war against Russia in Japan. Well, so he came back from the war and he went to Hokkaido. Hokkaido is the north part of Japan. There is a very beautiful and big place in Japan, Hokkaido. And he lost his friend in the war. His friend has a wife, and his wife had problems with her eyes. So this boy is going to pay these operations and very, very expensive. So he needs lots of money. And one day he was attacked by a bear. And Ainu girl saved him. Do you know what is Ainu? Ainu is ethnic group indigenous to Hokkaido. But her father was assassinated by a man because Ainu had a big gold treasure. So that's why her father was assassinated. And this bad man hid this treasure and he made a map. But this map was in the 24 parts. But each part was on the body of the prisoner. So 24 prisoners and each one had one part of the map. Well, this is the story. This anime is about this man, and this man is going to find this treasure with this girl. So they cooperated each other and this adventure to get to this treasure. This is the story. So today we learned 7 kotowaza, 7 sayings, proverbs about money. And kotowaza is always very interesting, right? Did you like this video? If so, please give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. And if you share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. Please do it, please. 今日もここまで見てくださって本当にどうもありがとうございます。では、ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタン、そして私のビデオをお友達とシェアしていただけたらとても嬉しいです。またコメントがありましたらぜひ書いてください。ではまた会いましょう。じゃあね、バイバイ。